As some of you may or may not have noticed, Type Terry Warfield has been back in his photography bag, which means we've been taking a whole lot of photos, uploading a whole lot of photography videos, and also editing a whole lot of photos. And y'all know how much fun editing a whole bunch of photos can be. I found a new editing platform called Imagen AI that really has saved me a whole lot of time, and honestly, it's fire. And yes, they did sponsor this video, so feel how you want to feel about that. I don't want you to get scared of the AI term, okay? We're not talking about creating AI slop here. We're talking about tools that actually help us out as photographers, okay? And you can actually try this out after this video. There will be a link for you to get a whole bunch of photo editing credits yourself. Now, maybe you've never heard of Imagen AI. Maybe you've been under a rock. Under a Rock is a photo editing platform, obviously supercharged with AI, that does culling, editing, and interfaces directly with Lightroom Classic. And I'm gonna give you a real live demo of how this works. I'm gonna jump into Imagen AI, and there's a couple things that I wanna point out to you real quick. This is the home screen. Obviously, this is number one. Number two, you see AI projects. We're gonna go to Profiles, Showcase. You see all of these different AI profiles in here. Terry, what is an AI profile? Okay, so these are custom looks and profiles that Imagen AI is going to use to edit all your photos. Now, it's not just like applying it on there. It's analyzing every photo for the white balance, the composition, the lighting, and everything, and it's using these AI profiles to go ahead and edit the photos for you. And when you just get started with this, this is what I recommend using first, because these are actually really, really good. I have two favorites that I'm going to show you. But once you advance past this part, there is a way for you to upload your own AI profile. Now, you do have to upload about 2,000 photos for it to learn what your editing style is, but it'll take that editing style, and as you continue to upload more photos, it'll continue to shape and mold this editing style so that it can edit just like you. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is called Social Spotlight. This is right here. And basically what this does is it takes your edited photos and turns them into Instagram posts for you to share. So it puts the frames and all that stuff on there for you. Obviously, you have to connect this to Instagram. That's up to you if you want to do that or not, but it will allow you to upload these directly to Instagram from Imagen AI. Okay, now that I got that out the way, let's go ahead and set up a new project so I can show you how this works. So there's three options on here. One of them's grayed out. We're going to focus on the two options that are the most important. We have cull and edit, and we also have edit only. Okay, let's cover edit only first. Now, all you have to do for this part is go through Lightroom and you cull your library, you export it as a catalog, and then you upload that into Imagen AI. So this way you can handle your own culling, and there are some reasons why some people do like to manage their own culling, and I'll go through one of those reasons in 1 second, okay? The second one is cull and edit. So AI culling from Imagen is actually fire. It's smart enough to know if there's blurry photos, it'll get rid of them automatically. Let's just say there's two photos that look similar, but the second photo, the person blinked, or maybe they looked off to the side, it'll get rid of that one for you, so on and so forth. Also, you can set how many final culled images you want. You could also try this out for yourself, because you get two projects that you can cull for free. Now, I prefer to do my own culling because sometimes those photos where somebody might look off to the side, or they might, you know, do something crazy that AI might not think is a good photo. Sometimes I like those photos, okay? So I just prefer to do my own culling, but it's here for you. So let's go to edit only, and then we're gonna go ahead and upload a Lightroom catalog. And we have a total of 187 photos in this catalog. This is a mix between a portrait session, some street photography, and also a couple pictures of Type Terry, okay? We have to name it. I already named it June 2026. We have to choose an AI profile. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose which one is my favorite in here. Cinematic Luxury. And we're just gonna pick other for photography type because this catalog has a bunch of different types blended in it. So we're just gonna hit other, and then we're gonna go next. Now, there's a couple things in here that are super fire. You get to choose what tools you want Imagen AI to use for these photos, right? So for example, cropping, straightening, which is, oh my God, straightening photos is like the bane of my existence. It will do it automatically for you. If we scroll down, if it's like a portrait session, you can smooth skin, you can whiten teeth. Also down here, you can see there's object removal, there's denoising, but for mine, I have crop, straighten, smooth skin, and whiten teeth. Then we're gonna go ahead and click edit. Now, as you see, it's uploading the photos, and it actually goes really, really quick as long as you have a strong internet connection. This right here shows us our progression. So we've already uploaded all the photos. Now it is currently editing the photos, and then once it gets done, we can review them. All right, our review edits button just popped up. up, and that only took like 6 or 7 minutes, which if I had to think, like sitting here editing 187 photos, cropping them, straightening them, and all of that stuff would have took me way longer than 6 or 7 minutes. Neither here nor there. Let's go ahead and review. Now it is going to give us 3 photos that we can preview before we download the entire catalog back into Lightroom. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this photo right here. So there's the original, that's the edited photo, that's the original, that's the edited photo, and that's the original. There's the edited photo. So I just hit download all edits, and while this is going, just remember that this is all based off of the AI profile that I selected. Some of y'all may or may not like the way I edited those, but that's why there's so many of them in there. And also that's why you can make your own AI profile. But anyways, let's go ahead and download the edits, and then we're gonna go back to Lightroom by pressing open Lightroom catalog. Now that we have our catalog open again, something I wanna call out to you real quick. You see this file name right here, DSC09541.ARW. This is still a raw file. So imagine takes your raw file and it goes and edits it, applies the AI profile, and sends you back a raw file with the adjustments of the profile that you selected. So if we go over here to our adjustments panel, you see all of these adjustments were made according to the profile that we picked. The tone curve is right here, and all of the HSL adjustments are in here too. And because this is non-destructive and we have our raw photo, we can still go through here and tweak everything if we want to. And as you see, her teeth are already whitened, her skin is already smooth, but it's not so smooth that you can't see any of like her, you know, her details of her skin. So I'm gonna say that this did a really good job when it comes to, you know, retouching her face. It did her eyes, it did her teeth and everything, right? If we want to see the before and after, because it has all the original metadata, it's right here. And again, you can tweak this if you want to. Now, some of y'all are going to say like, yo, why wouldn't I just make some tweaks real quick and then just use the sync option to sync all the edits with all the photos? Well, it's not looking at each photo individually and seeing what each photo needs. And that is where the difference is. This actually analyzes every single photo individually and tweaks every single photo based off the profile, crops it, straightens it, does all that stuff that we picked. Let's go ahead and look at a couple other examples. All right, this is our edited photo. Let's go ahead and take a look at the before. All right, if we punch in, same thing. It cleaned up her face, retouched it, did a really good job. It left some of her detail on her forehead, which is fire. A lot of times you use AI programs for retouching and it just makes them look like freaking plastic. And this one actually does a good job. We can still go through and warm it up a tad, which I kind of prefer for this photo, maybe just a tad bit warmer. But you could also do this in Imagen. If you want to, you can have it re-edit the photos with a little bit of adjustment that you select in there. Let's take a look at another one. This is her sitting in the car. Let's go ahead and open up the before, and Imagen went in there and whitened her teeth, smoothed out her skin, left some of the detail in there, which I absolutely love, and got rid of that yellowish tint. So I'm gonna call this a W. Here's another photo, because I do a lot of street photography. I was in New York. This is the after. Let's go ahead and take a look at the before. Did a really good job. This is a cold photo up top. So I went ahead and warmed it up and applied the color tone to it. This right here is one of my favorite photos while we were in New York. So if I go ahead and bring up the original, so it was a little cool. It definitely warmed it up a bit. It went ahead and cropped it and straightened it for us. Here's one of the photos where I was on the bridge. So let's go ahead and bring up the original. As you see, the original was super underexposed. It was also super cool. So it definitely brightened it up, warmed it up, and let's see, did it crop it any? Just a little bit. Let's take a look at like 2 or 3 more. Here's another one with me standing on the bridge. As you see, the original photo was super cold, super underexposed, and it obviously fixed everything and also cropped in a little bit on it. Another one of my iconic New York photos that I just took. All right, so here's the original. And again, original super underexposed. Although I do kind of like that, it definitely still went ahead and fixed it. Didn't need to straighten it, but it did crop in a little bit. And I was very curious on how it would handle this photo right here. So did it crop it or straighten it? It absolutely did. And you see all of our adjustments on here. And then there's one other photo that I wanted to take a look at. So if we go ahead and see if it cropped it, it did crop it. It also straightened it. And the original was pretty cold. It warmed it up. And also, yeah, it made it look saucy. And then remember I told you to build your custom AI profile, you do need to upload about 2,000 photos. You don't have to do it all at one time. So we can hit upload final edits, and it tells us right now that this is gonna upload these edits, all 100 and whatever amount of photos it was, to my profile so I can build out this AI profile as I continue to edit more and more in Imagen AI. So as you see, this is 187 photos that it went through and cropped them, straightened them on the portraits, and intelligently fixed the skin, whitened the teeth, fixed the exposure, white balance, all of that stuff. And this all took, minus the culling part, which I chose to do by myself. If I would have had Imagen color, it would have went even faster. But this entire process, minus culling, took like 10 minutes, okay? Whereas if I had to do all of this by myself, even with just a small catalog like this, 170 photos, it would have took me at least a solid hour to get through these. This has been fantastic so far, as long as I've been using it. And again, if you click the link in the pinned comment and the description, any deals or specials that Imagen AI has running, I will make sure that they're down there, and make sure that you check it, because sometimes they have some crazy offerings. Again, if you click that link down there, you will also get a bunch of free photo edits so that you can try this out yourself. And you do get those 2 projects that you can call for free. And obviously, if you want to continue, you know, go through the pricing and see which plan works out for you. But I'm very curious to know what you think about Imagen AI and if this is something that you find useful for your workflow. Thank you, Imagen, for sponsoring this video. And if you liked it, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and you turn on that notification bell so that you get notified when new videos go up. And some of y'all are gonna ask, Terry, did you cut your locks off? Yes, I cut my locks off, but you ain't seen. Anyways, Tyler Terry Warfield, peace and chicken grease. Much love, y'all. Peace.